This is a half round file. It's really great because when you have an outie, you use the flat part, and when you have an innie, you use the round part. Here you can see that this is just a little too rough compared to the rest of it, so I'm using the innie. But here you can see that you want the round part for the innies, so it will help you cut this away. It's a slow process, and then you want to keep your brush to get the stuff out of here so it'll keep going. And then if you're working on the outside here, you can smooth it up with this. There's a lot of different sized files so that you can take more or less off. And so here I'll show you another one. This actually is a wood file. It's a little different design, but it works really good the same way. And you'll get more surface off with this one because it has bigger teeth. You can see that it really kind of gets a little more dust going. So you have to decide, do I just have a little bit to take off or do I have a whole lot to take off? You can get really big ones like this. This one actually has teeth on the edge of it too, so if I had to go in an area like this where I want it to file this and this, I'll get a nice sharp edge. And it's filing with both sets of teeth. So there's a lot of different files to use, and you may have some sitting around the house, or you may just want to run to Home Depot or to one of the car stores and see what they have there and see if it'll actually go in the shapes that you want to make.